ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद 15th mantra we were seeing in Bhashya, second last line, page number 374. तस्य कृष्णाया आत्मैव पिंड एव अस्य विदुषः षोडशी कला ध्रुवा स्थानीया स चंद्रवत् वित्तेनैव आपूर्यते चापक्षीयते च। तस्य कृष्णायाः आत्मा एव पिंडः तस्य विदुषः पुरुषस्य आत्मा मीन्स शरीर आत्मा एव पिंडः एव अस्य विदुषः षोडशी कला। दिस पुरुष हैज 16 कलास। प्रजापति who earlier was upasaka who did ahangrahopasana षोडशी कला। ध्रुवा स्थानीया आत्मा is ध्रुवा स्थानीया कला। आत्मा मीन्स शरीर पिंड। टीका एतच्च लोक प्रसिद्धत्वात् न प्रतिपादन सापेक्षम इत्याह स चंद्रवत् नै चंद्रवत् वित्तेन आपूर्यते अपक्षीयते च। It is like Chandrama, which we already saw, which has growth and decay. So it becomes filled with it and it becomes empty, but one kala will remain, Dhruva kala, that will remain. Sa Chandravat. Further in Tika, Atmaiva Dhruva kala iti uktam tadeva ratha chakra drishtantena spashtayati. Atma is Dhruva kala. This is explained, iti uktam, this is what was said, is explained through Ratha Chakra Drishtanta. Spashtayati. Tadetat loke prasiddham. This is very well known in the loka. Tadetan nabhyam. Nabhyam. Nabhyai hitam nabhyam. Nabhim va arhati iti. Nabhyam nabhyai hitam. That which is placed in the nabhi. Nabhyai hitam nabhyam. Second number tippani. इदंतु व्युत्पत्ति प्रदर्शन मात्रम. दिस इज व्युत्पत्ति प्रदर्शन. नाभ्यै हितम नभ्यम इज ओनली व्युत्पत्ति. मीन्स दिस इज नॉट फॉर एनी अदर रीजन. दिस इज हाउ व्युत्पत्ति इज देयर. भाष्यकार हैज गिवन सेकंड नंबर टिप्पणी सेज इदम तु व्युत्पत्ति प्रदर्शन मात्रम. नाभ्यै मीन नाभि स्थानीय इज कॉल्ड नभ्यम. नाभिम वा अर्हति. टीका नाभिश्चक्र पिंडिका तत्स्थानीयम व नभ्यम तदेव प्रश्न द्वारा स्फुरयति. नाभि ही इस चक्र पिंडिका, the center of the chakra. तत्स्थानीयम व नभ्यम तदेव प्रश्न द्वारा स्फुरयति. तत्स्थानीयम is called nabhyam. And what is that? That he is going to explain in the form of answer to a question. Kintat yadayam yoyam. Kintat, in this way, this is the question actually, only this much. Kintat yadayam yoyam atma. Yadayam atma is given in the mantra. First line on 375. Yadayam atma. So yoyam atma pindaha pradhir vittam. Another takara is needed. Vittam, pradhir vittam. That's how it is given in mantra also. Parivar sthaniyam bahyam chakrasya iva aranemyadi. Yoyam pindaha means sharira, otherwise called as atma here. Ayam atma pindaha. Pradhihi, pradhihi, paridhihi. Vittam, this pradhi is the vittam. That pradhi is parivar sthaniyam. Parivar means yajmana, yajmana patni, putra, daivam vittam, manusham vittam. These four are the paridhi, the circumference. Yajmana is the nabhisthaniya. Parivar sthaniyam bahyam, external. How chakrasya iva ara nemyadi. Ara, the spokes, and nemi means the circumference. टीका शरीरस्य चक्रपिंडिका स्थानीयत्वम अयुक्तम परिवार अदर्शनात् इति आशंक्याः. Sharira is chakra sthaniya, then there is pindika sthaniyatvam, chakrasya pindika sthaniyatvam, ayuktam, parivara adarshanat, aranemyadi. So somebody is asking, what is the similarity? It is not seen. Adarshana iti ashankyaha. Pradhir vittam parivar sthaniyam bahyam chakrasya iva aranemyadi. Further, sharirasya ratha chakra pindika sthaniyatve phalitamaha. So now sharira has ratha chakra, then pindika, all these. What is the phalam? Phalitamaha tasmad yadyapi sarvajyanim sarvaswapaharanam jiyate hiyate glanim prapnoti atmana chakranabhisthaniyena chet yadi jivati. Let us see up to this much. Tasmad yadyapi sarvajyanim, sarvajyanim, sarvasya jyanim, jyani hi is the shabda. There is a unadi sutra. Vijyajyaribhyo nihi. Vijyajyaribhyo nihi. 448. So there are some Vishesha Shabdas which are all formed through these Unadi Sutras. Like Vishnu. Vishnu also has Unadi Sutra. So here Jyanihi is formed. Jyanihi, Jurnihi, all of them are through this. Sarva Jyanihi. Then Jyanim means Sarvasva Apaharanam. Jiyate Hiyate. Jiyate means it lives, it grows. Hiyate means it is subject to destruction, etc. हीयते ओहाक त्यागे धातु हा ओहाक त्यागे हीयते हीयते अर्थात य उप्रेयो वृणीते हीयते ग्लानिम प्राप्नोति आत्मना चक्रनाभिस्थानीयेन चेत. So there is a growth and decay. Sarvasva apaharana. Apaharana means everything goes away. Sarvasva apaharanam. Jiyate hiyate glanim prapnoti atmana. Chakranabhisthaniyena chet yadi jivati. Pradhina bahyena parivarena ayam agat. Shrinoyam. If it is sustaining, yadi jivati, pradhina bahyena parivarena ayam agat. So, yadi jivati means that one kala will continue to remain and others are gone. So, when that happens, how people will think or say, bahyena parivarena ayam agat. Pradhina, pradhi, that external things, which is his bahya, external to him, parivara, those things are gone. Parivarena ayam agat. Agat means kshinoyam. He has become kshina. In other words, if bharya is not there, putra is not there, daivam vittam is not there, or manusham vittam has reduced any of their decay, because it is said it is like kala. There is upachaya, apachaya. So these things will go. Sometimes will come. Kshinoyam. Putra Patni, they don't go away. But their sambandha, sometimes he thinks, oh, Putra is so obedient, he will listen to everything is there. Sometimes he thinks, what is the use of this Putra? Like that. And wealth and all, Manusham Vittam, there is decay. So there is Kshaya in them. Yatha Chakram Aranemi Vimuktam Evam Ahuhu. So then they will say, like how they say in case of Chakra, Chakram Aranemi Vimuktam Evam Ahuhu. Bahyena Parivarena Ayam Agat. So if there is a wheel, but let us say they have removed the circumference, they have removed some spokes. So all colors are not there. It is with fewer colors like that in case of this Upasaka also. Tika Padartham Uktva Vakyartham Aha. Jivansched Aranemi Vittena Punarupachiyata iti abhiprayah. Jivansched Aranemi if he is alive, means if he is still sustaining with that one kala, Aranemi sthaniyena vittena. Aranemi sthaniya is vitta. Vittena punaha upachiyate. Again there will be growth, more things will come. punya will come, again he will become complete. Jivanschet, what is the sutra there? Online students, anybody? What is this? Nasya padantasya?
Jali and then anuswarasya yayi varasya.
Naschya vyaprashan. Further in next mantra, tika. अन्नत्रयात्मनि प्रजापता वहंग्रहोपासनस्य सफलस्य उक्तत्वात् वक्तव्याभावाद् उत्तर ग्रंथ वैयर्थ्यम इत्याशंक्य तद विषयम वक्तुम वृत्तम अनुवदति. पूर्व पक्षी says अन्नत्रयात्मनि प्रजापता वहंग्रहोपासनस्य सफलस्य उक्तत्वात्. You have already said this. अन्नत्रयात्मनि प्रजापता वहंग्रहोपासन. अन्नत्रयात्मनि, what is the samasa? How will be vigraha? अन्नत्रयात्मा. Full. अन्नत्रयात्मा. अन्य पद प्रजापति. अन्नत्रयम आत्मा स्वरूपम यस्य सह अन्नत्रयात्मा तस्मिन् अन्नत्रयात्मनि प्रजापतौ. अन्नत्रयात्मा इस प्रजापति. तीन अन्न ही जिसकी आत्मा है वो अन्नत्रयात्मा प्रजापति. तस्मिन् प्रजापतौ अहंग्रह उपासना is talked about. फलम is talked about. फलेन सह उक्तत्वात् उपासनस्य फलेन सह उक्तत्वात् वक्तव्य अभावात्. Now what is there to say? Everything is already said. Uttar Grantha Vaiyarthyam. In first chapter itself he is saying so many times Uttar Grantha Vaiyarthyam. He doesn't know what is remaining. Iti ashankya tad vishayam vaktum. So now it's vishaya to say about the topic of the next mantra. Vrittam anuvadati. Bhashyakara is recapping what is already said. Evam पांक्तेन दैव वित्त विद्या संयुक्तेन कर्मणा त्रय्यन्नात्मकः प्रजापतिर्भवति इति व्याख्यातम्. अनन्तरञ्च जायादिवित्तं परिवारस्थानीयम् इति उक्तम्. पांक्तेन दैव वित्त विद्या संयुक्तेन कर्मणा. दैव वित्तम, विद्या मीन्स उपासना. दैव वित्त विद्या संयुक्तेन कर्मणा त्र्यन्नात्मकः. त्रीणि अन्नानि आत्मा यस्य सः त्र्यन्नात्मकः प्रजापतिः. इन भाष्य इट इज गिवन त्र्यन्नात्मकः. इन टीका अन्नत्रयात्मक प्रजापतिर्भवति इति व्याख्यातम्. This is already defined. So who will become Prajapati? The one who has upasana, daivam vittam, etc. Anantarancha jayadi vittam. And then after that it was said jayadi vittam is parivarasthaniyam iti uktam. Jayadi vittam parivarasthaniyam. Tatra टीका साधनोक्त्यैव फलमुक्तम् तयोर्मिथो बद्धत्वात् प्राजापत्यं च फलं प्रागेव दर्शितम् तत्किम उत्तर ग्रंथेन इत्याशंक्य. सामान्येन तत्प्रतीतावपि इदम् अस्य इति विशेषो नोक्तस् तदुक्त्यर्थम् उत्तरा श्रुतिरित्याह। साधनोक्त्यैव फलमुक्तम्, साधन उक्त्या एव फलमुक्तम्। तयोर्मिथो मीन्स परस्पर म्यूचुअल बद्धत्वात् प्राजापत्यम च फलम प्रागेव दर्शितम। प्राजापत्यम फलम is said earlier itself. So everything is said now. What is there? कि तत् किम उत्तर ग्रंथेन प्रागेव दर्शितम तत्, प्रागेव दर्शितम तत् फलम। Therefore उत्तर ग्रंथेन किम इति आशंक्य सामान्येन तत्प्रतीतावपि इदम अस्य इति विशेषो न उक्तः। सामान्य ज्ञानम इज गिवन, सामान्येन तत्प्रतीतावपि फल प्रतीतौ, फल प्रतीति is given सामान्य, but विशेष is not given. विशेषो न उक्तस तद उक्त्यर्थम उत्तरा श्रुति रित्याह। उत्तरा श्रुति is for that. तत्र पुत्र कर्म अपर विद्यानां लोक प्राप्ति साधनत्व मात्रम सामान्य न अवगतम। तत्र means in this Prajapati and the Phala, this Trayannatmaka upasana, in all of them, Putra Karma Apara Vidyanam, they are Loka Prapti Sadhana. Putra is Loka Prapti Sadhana, Karma and Apara Vidya means upasana. They are Loka Prapti Sadhanatva Matram, Samanyena Avagatam. This in general we know. न पुत्रादीनां लोक प्राप्ति फलम प्रति विशेष संबंध नियमः। पुत्रादीनां लोक प्राप्ति फलम प्रति, that पुत्रादि are for लोक प्राप्ति, that विशेष संबंध नियमः न अवगतम, that is not known। टीका पूर्व ग्रंथ सप्तम्यर्थः, सी तत्र is सप्तमी। So all Purva Grantha means the Upasana, Trayana, all of that, whatever is given, in that all these three things were said, Putra Karma Apara Vidyati. Niyamo na avagata iti sambandha. Vishesha sambandha niyamaha. That much is said in Bhashya. Right? Vishesha sambandha niyamaha. So you have to understand Vishesha sambandha niyamo na avagataha in this way. Upanyasah prarambha. Before that, टीका, I mean भाष्य, सोयम पुत्रादीनां साधनानां साध्य विशेष संबंधो वक्तव्यः इति उत्तर कंडिका प्रणीयते। सोयम पुत्रादीनां साधनानां साध्य विशेष संबंधो वक्तव्यः। So now putradi which are sadhana, विशेष संबंध with sadhya, that you have not said, that Shruti has not said. This is to be said. संबंधो वक्तव्यः इति उत्तर कंडिका प्रणीयते। Pranayanam means to bring forth. अथ त्रयो वावलोका मनुष्यलोकः पितृलोको देवलोक इति सोयं मनुष्यलोकः पुत्रेणैव जय्यो नान्येन कर्मणा कर्मणा पितृलोको विद्यया देवलोको देवलोको वै लोकानां श्रेष्ठस्तस्माद् विद्यां प्रशंसन्ति। अथ त्रयो वाव लोका. अथ शब्द is for vakya upanyasartha. It is given in bhashya. अथ is आरंभ अर्थ है, not anantara. Here अथ is not anantara. त्रयो वाव लोका. Three lokas are there. Manushya lokah, pitruloko, devalokah. Iti. सोयम मनुष्य लोकः अयम मनुष्य लोकः पुत्रेण एव जय्यः. जय्यः क्षय्य जय्यो शक्यार्थे. I might have given this sutra earlier. क्षय्य जय्यो शक्यार्थे. 6181. न अन्येन कर्मणा. मनुष्य लोक is not attained through laukika karma etc. but putrena. But what kind of putra, that will be said later. Karmana pitruloko. Karma will give pitruloka. Vidya devaloka. Then again devaloka. Devaloka vai lokanam sreshtha. Devaloka is sreshtha among all the lokas. Sreshtha Shabda, how Sreshtha Shabda is formed? Prashasyasya Shraha first. Then, what is the Pratyaya? Ishthan Pratyaya. What is the sutra for Ishthan Pratyaya? Atishayane Tamabishtanau. In the morning class I mentioned Sthavishtha Bhuktva Bhogan Sthavishtan. So two sutras, Prashasyasya Shraha and then Ishthan Pratyaya Vidhayaka Sutra. Tasmad Vidyam Prashansanti. Therefore Vidya. Vidya means Upasana. Upasana Prashansa is done. Prashansanti. Janaha in this way. In Bhashya, Atha iti Vakyopanyasartha. Atha Shabda is for Vakyasya Upanyasartha. Upanyas means Prarambha. So Atha is Prarambharthe. Vav Shabdasya Avadharan Rupam Artham Vivranoti. Trayo Vav. Vav means Avadharana. Trayo Vav iti Avadharana Artha. Traya eva शास्त्रोक्त साधनार्हा लोका न न्यूना न अधिका वा. There are only three lokas which are attained through शास्त्रोक्त sadhana. शास्त्रोक्त sadhana arha. Arha yogya. Neither less nor more. न न्यूना न अधिका वा. तदेव लोकत्रयं प्रश्न द्वारा स्फुरयति. केत इत्युच्यते. These three lokas. So prashna is asked. What are these? Which are these three lokas? Manushya lokaha, pitruloko, devaloka iti. Jayaha. Jaya means Jayo nama putrena manushya lokasya atikrama iti kechit tan pratyaha. Some people think Jaya means Putrena Manushya Lokasya Atikrama. Jaya literally means to do Atikrama. So somebody thinks by Putra you will win over Manushya Loka means you will go beyond Manushya Loka. This is how some people think. Kechit. Bhartru Prapanchadaya. 10 number tippani. Bhashyakar does not agree with that. Tan Pratyaha. In Bhashya, Tesham Soyam Manushya Lokaha Putrena eva sadhanena jayyo jetavyaha. Jayyaha means jetavyaha. Sadhyaha. यथा च पुत्रेण जेतव्यस तथा उत्तरत्र वक्ष्यामो नान्येन कर्मणा विद्यया वा इति वाक्यशेष. So because it is to be acquired sadhya through putrena jetavya, so then it will be said na anyena karmana na vidya, neither through karma or vidya. टीका पुत्रेण अस्य साध्यत्वम असिद्धम इति आशंक्याः. Somebody says putrena, how through putra manushya loka is sadhya. So some means Purvapaksha, this Bhartru Prapancha Mata, they think one will go beyond manushya loka through putra. So it is said no, you will get putra loka only. I mean manushya loka, not putra loka. द्विविधो ही मनुष्य लोक जयः कर्तव्य शेष अनुष्ठानम भोगश्च. मनुष्य लोक जयः is of two types. कर्तव्य शेष अनुष्ठानम and भोगः, भोगश्च. सेकंड नंबर टिप्पणी. कर्तव्य शेष अनुष्ठानम पितुः अत्र अध्ययनादि कर्तव्य शेषानुष्ठानम. पितुः अत्र अध्ययनादि. पितुः मीन्स फ्रॉम फादर, पंचमी. फ्रॉम फादर one should do Veda Adhyanam. If not father, then you have to go to some Acharya. Kartavya Sheshanushtanam and Bhogascha. तत्र आद्यम आश्रित्य अन्य योग व्यवच्छेदम एवकारार्थम दर्शयति. अन्य योग व्यवच्छेदम. आद्यम आश्रित्य. आद्यम मीन्स पुत्रेण एव साधनेन जयः साध्यः. So this adya न अन्येन कर्मणा. तत्र आद्यम आश्रित्य अन्य योग व्यवच्छेदम एवकारार्थम. पुत्रेण एव is given, right? In the first line in the Bhashya, you see Manushya Loka Putrena eva sadhanena jaya. What are the three vyavachedaka for evakara?
अन्य योग व्यवच्छेदम, अनन्य योग अवच्छेदम, अत्यंत अयोग व्यवच्छेदम.
First one, well, first and third are correct. Second one, so ayoga vyavacheda, anya yoga vyavacheda, and atyanta ayoga vyavacheda. Ayoga vyavacheda, anya yoga vyavacheda, atyanta ayoga vyavacheda. So in this, see, this line says आद्यम आश्रित्य अन्य योग व्यवच्छेदम एवकारार्थम दर्शयति। द्वितीय तु अयोग व्यवच्छेदः। द्वितीय आद्य विकल्प अन्य योग व्यवच्छेद, द्वितीय विकल्प अयोग व्यवच्छेद. Now these things, if you write in your this topic, then next in some other text again this anya yoga vyavacheda ayoga vyavacheda will come. Then in that book it will not be there. So then again same thing will happen. So you should keep a place where all such things are there and you can see them, or you keep it in your buddhi, or at least have it separate somewhere where all such ideas are there. What is the drishtanta? नीलमब्जं भवत्येव पार्थ एव.
नीलमब्जं भवत्येव पार्थ एव धनुर्धरः शङ्खः पाण्डर एव स्यात् एवं शब्दगतिस्त्रिधा.
Neela, this we have seen in Tarka Sangraha Tirunavali part. Neelam abjam bhavatyeva partha eva dhanurdharaha. And this is actually there in Mandukya Tippani. In the beginning itself it will come. Neelam abjam bhavatyeva partha eva dhanurdharaha. Neelam abjam bhavatyeva is atyanta ayoga vyavacheda. I will explain this again. Shloka, I hope you all have it somewhere. One eva shabda is with visheshana. Another is with visheshya. And third is with kriya.
Yeah.
With visheshana, when eva shabda is there, that is called ayoga vyavacheda. Drishtanta is shankha pandara eva. This is with visheshana. Shankha pandara eva. What is the visheshana in this? Pandara. Pandara means it is whitish. What Shankha, the rupa of Shankha, the color is called Pandara. So what it will do? Ayoga Vyavacheda. Ayoga Vyavacheda means Vyavacheda means to remove, to eliminate. Ayoga Vyavacheda means it will show yoga. With Visheshana. Anya Yoga Vyavachedaha is with Visheshya. Anya Yoga Vyavachedaha. Anya Yoga Vyavacheda means Anyasya Anya Yoga Vyavacheda. Vyavacheda means elimination. So Anya Yoga. Anya Yoga is not happening. Partha eva dhanurdhara. So Anyana saha yoga is not there. Partha eva dhanurdhara. In other words, nobody else is dhanurdhara. In this, what is Visheshya? In Partha eva dhanurdhara? Partha. Partha is Visheshya. And third is Atyanta Ayoga Vyavachedaha. Neelam Abjam Bhavatyeva. Bhavati, it goes with Kriya Pada. Neelam Abjam Bhavatyeva. This is Atyanta Ayoga Vyavacheda. That if somebody says Neelam Abjam na bhavati, so you say no, Neelam Abjam bhavati eva. Neelam Utpalam is always there, like that. In this way, Eva Shabda has three gatis. So now in the context you see, context we will see tomorrow. But this you come prepared, okay? Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Vadarayanam Sutrabhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.